23andMe is giving away free DNA kits. Stay tuned for the information. Before we begin, I would like to say thank you from the bottom of a grateful heart for your support of my Ancestry DNA vs 23andMe video. We have reached over 1 million views. I know in my heart that both companies have seen your comments and they've made changes to make our DNA experience so much better than before. So please keep commenting about your consumer experiences so we'll see even more great changes in the future. Once again, thank you so very much for your support. Now let's get to the free DNA kits. Thumbs up for free DNA kits. At 23andMe, they want their customer base to reflect the planet's rich diversity. You may be uniquely positioned to help. Your participation in the Global Genetics Project will help diversify their database and boost their studies in underrepresented populations. That's huge! You'll end up learning more about your heritage and help others like me around the world discover ours. Because you know where your family came from, you are uniquely positioned to help other people better understand their family's roots and help 23andMe drive genetic inclusion of unrepresented population. By looking at your DNA along with others from the same region, 23andMe can identify genetic similarities of people from that location. Then they can tell others if they are also affiliated with the same group. Their aim is to help people make new discoveries about their identity by way of their DNA. They also expect to learn more about people who migrated around the world over the last 5,000 years. When you participate in this study, not only will you help others, but you also receive access to over 75 personalized genetic reports about your ancestry, traits, and health. Basically, you receive the $199 kit free. They are conducting this study for two main reasons: to improve their ability to provide detailed ancestry results for 23andMe customers with non-European ancestry, to contribute to general knowledge of how people migrated throughout the world over the last few thousand years. Here are the requirements to be eligible. You must reside in the United States, have internet access, know how to read and write English fluently, and be over 18 years old. Once you have those covered, here's a major requirement. You can participate in the study if all 4 of your grandparents are born in the same country from the following list. If you qualify, please don't take this opportunity for granted. If I had the opportunity to get my 23andMe test free, I would have jumped for joy. This is only for a limited time and I don't know when this Global Genetics Project will end, so don't hesitate. If you qualify, the link is in the description box to register. I strongly recommend that you read the fine print to ensure you're happy with their terms. If you're like me and you don't qualify, here's a link for you in the description box to purchase your kit. Please give this video a thumbs up so more folks can see this video and participate. The faster 23andMe gets to complete their study, the faster we will get even more detailed DNA results. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!